These are the new trees that I got off of Amazon. I'm showing you what they look like. They come in a bag like that. Little box. What does it say on it? Orgmemory? I don't know. Comes in a cool little box like that. You get a bunch of these little plants. I think there was 30 something total altogether in here, which is not too bad for my hobby layout. This is the size of it. This is an HO train if you want to compare, so you can see the difference. There's one. Here's another tree, so you can compare the difference of an HO scale model. It's kind of what it looks like on there. Alright, so yeah, a bunch of different sizes. I got some real big one in here that came in here. A little messy. They come out, obviously. I'm not going to put them back in the bag so much and in and out, but I think it was a good deal off of Amazon. So that's what I got. Here's another tree. That one's pretty big. I was planning to use, I got this clay stuff that I was planning to try to use, I guess to make like a little base for the trees. Something very simple. Oops. Okay, that didn't work. A little bit bigger. Let's see. Yep, it's not working as planned, but it's okay. You'll get the gist of it. See? Like that. There we go. So that's kind of the idea of what I was thinking. Something like that. Nice and simple, and I can put them in all around. I'll paint that brown. Put them in all around. This way I can lift them up and put them in other places and they'll stand up fine. See? So yes, I got that clay and I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so it's just an update for my train layout, what I just got off of Amazon. Little trees. And like I said, compared to the hobby store, sad to say that I got 30 of these for $10. It's a hell of a deal. So, alright, that's it.